North Africa, Algeria. In this part of the globe, we will get acquainted with one more so-called original ancestor. Like Italian bittern became the first in the family of coffee with chocolate. In Algeria a drink was born, that became the ancestor of what they call today, cold coffee, or iced coffee. And these are the French, who played the main role in this story. Few have heard the name mazagran, although the French know it very good. The word mazagran comes from the name of a city of Mazagran in Algeria, in the fortress of which, French troops were based at the beginning of the 19th century. The French brought from Europe the tradition of drinking coffee. But since they drank coffee with milk, and milk was not the best product for hot Africa, because it spoiled quickly, the French came up with an idea, to replace it with cold water. Not just plain water, but necessarily cold one. It was a very important supplement, because in hot climate, such a drink was not only invigorating, but also refreshing. They also added a slice of lemon, and some brandy or cognac to the drink. And they started to drink this cooling beverage from small glasses, that today in the bartender art, are called mazagran. By the way, the French consumed it in those same coffee houses, with pictures of which the entire history of photography, was filled at the beginning of the past century. These are the so-called Moorish cafes. There were many of them in North Africa, in Egypt, Tunisia, Algeria. And all celebrities of that time, including writers, actors and travelers, used to drop in those colorful establishments then. History has kept a large number of these photos. So, the tradition of making the cold coffee, which then proliferated around the world from Europe, was born here, in North Africa, Algeria, thanks to French traditions and the fortress called Mazagran. In fact, the world needed a cold coffee drink. And this, as they would say today, marketing technique, was very well timed. That is why it conquered the world so easily. Especially during the hot summer months.